This is a 2002 Chevrolet Avalanche. It features a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include an auto-dimming rearview mirror, a rear window defroster, a keyless entry system, a multi-link rear suspension, aluminum wheels, fog lamps, tinted glass, an anti-lock braking system, a passenger side airbag, and cruise control. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
PhilLongUsedCars is located at 1510 Auto Mall Loop in Colorado Springs. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.